Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm really tilted, so we're gonna try to untilt. Let's try to get back to 1600. Yeah, man. So we get Ripper and jeez, he's playing recruits. So he's gonna have evil Goblin King and evil recruits, and he's gonna have normal piggies. So against recruits, you really want to save your hut because if they go for a really good piggies push, you're kind of screwed, right? And I'm gonna poison these zappies. And he has Golden Knight. Oh jeez. Yep. Golden Knight really does. It's not good. I don't do well against Golden Knight. It's kind of annoying. I'm just gonna Berserker 10 for this flying machine. Not mess it up. No. Why? Dude, I can't even see the... Dude, it's just... Oh, I hate this game, bro. Just this deck is so annoying. It's just single, honestly, if you really think about it. Because everything else this deck is chill. Okay, I'm gonna get a nice poison down. Well, that was a pretty good poison. Oh, wow. Let's get the Berserker down. Nice. At least we recovered a lot of damage. Nice. Okay, we're actually winning. Go with the furnace in the back. I mean, he has trouble dealing with my furnaces, so I'm just gonna keep cycling furnaces in the back. And I will get it. I'm just gonna poison like this. Wow. Okay. You're telling me that just ended up behind it by accident, or like? Oh jeez. You wasted. I'm poison the zappies. Yep. Yep. Is my flying machine in the middle? No? Okay. So at this point, we have game-winning damage, or enough to win. So I will not be going in anymore. Okay. I missed my vines, but that's fine. It's fine. This is fine. I have Evil Valk, that's why I wasted my hut, if any of you are wondering. Because he's gonna go piggies, right? So, I actually have a hut again. I have a hut anyway, doesn't really matter. Get Evil Valk down. Finds that flying machine. Yes. Kill the flying machine, nice. And I'm just gonna go furnace. I'm just stalling, you know. Completely fine. I'm just go Berserker into that. Let's go Valk. Where's the flying machine? I need to poison the flying machine just to make sure nothing goes wrong. Here. Right here. Valk. Barbarian building. Nice. As you guys can see, it's pretty easy to defend in triple elixir, but single elixir is pretty scary. And we punished him really well when we needed to, and yeah, overall, very good game against Recruit's Fireball Bait. Let's go into the next match. Pop open this lucky chest. I'm almost... Oh, I've completed my battle pass. Nice. I'm gonna actually be buying the battle pass probably. I just completed it. Nice. We're against Lebanese King. Interesting. Oh, I'll just poison this princess just to get off the board. I don't really want to deal with it. We are down about 1 okay. So we're down 2 elixir, 3 elixir actually, because I played Vines a little late. That's on the side. Okay. I'll just put a furnace into the right side. So because it's log bait, we actually can't play what was I trying to say? Because this is log bait, we actually can't push into him with a Graver until like triple elixir, because he does have Dark Goblin. So I need to be really, really careful of this evil barrel. Okay. Just snipe it down. Oh, that's on the inside. It's fine. The Berserker wasn't even that bad because it actually kills the Valk, so you can't be mad at that. I'll just Vines the dart. He's gonna Princess. Okay, I thought he was gonna Princess Bridge. That's why I went for the hut, but I'll take a Wall Breaker's prediction. Okay, not that. The evil barrel has went away. If he plays any sort of like Dark Goblin, I'm probably gonna try. That's on the middle. Okay, bad cannon. Poison. Oh. Good play. That was a really good play by him, actually. It's not Dark Goblin, that's the thing. Okay. So we get a ton of damage. Now we can just play no, he doesn't have. Yeah, I'm just tripping. I'm tripping, yeah. He doesn't have rocket. Oh, wait a minute. That was... Well, let's Vines them. It's really scary, but I should be fine. Okay, I'm fine. Wow. Sorry guys for not talking. I'm in kind of a stressful state. Nice, GG's. Good game. Wow, when we played that very defensive, he was playing Hypno Bait. I mean, yeah, man, that was very stressful. Did he even have a spell? I don't think a Hypno Bait runs a spell yet. Man, that was stressful. But we took the W. Let's play one more game. Or not one more game. Let's get to 1600, right? Or even 1599 is fine. So we're going against Joel. Joel's playing Lava Hound. Lava Hound or Splashyard? Joel's not playing Lava Hound. Psycho Valve into it. Okay. That was very aggressive. But I don't think I'm going to punish him. So, good lightning on him. Yeah, I'm cooked. No, I'm not cooked. No. Wow. Wait, he overspent so much. Nice. Okay. He shouldn't have arrows because... Did he save his tower even? I don't think he needed the arrows. Anyway, this is why I don't randomly lightning my furnace, bro. If you're looking to lightning my furnace randomly, you're gonna get... That's what's gonna happen, bro. Anyway, he has the Evo, what's it called? Okay, bro. You just didn't learn your lesson. Like... Dude, what are you doing? You lightning my furnace again. I'm confused. I'm so confused. Like, I don't know, man. And you tried to pop ability. Okay, he's trying to bait out my poison. I'll just poison them both. I mean, there's nothing wrong with poison. Okay, bro. Nice one. Played everything to a Valkyrie. Yeah, I'm so low. These people are so... They're not very good. I mean... No, it's one thing to lightning it, right? And it's another thing to lightning it again. Like... In the same game. Like, I don't understand. Alright, GG's, guys. That's gonna be a video for today. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't hit 1600, but... You know... It's fine. I mean, 3 games, 3 in a row. Pretty good. Alright,